Mr. Fredrickson. Need any help, sir?
Well, if it isn't my favorite...
Carver Nedson has a pretty job at my favorite of...
Nerdberg.
No. Yes.
Very, very funny. Real mature.
Tell your boss over there that you boys are ruining our house.
Hey, Pat, where are you migrating to this year, huh? The breakfast nook?
Well, just to let you know, my boss will be happy to take this whole place off your hands and for double his last offer. What do you say to that?
Farewell,
The blow dryer or...
snowballs you want.
I take that as a no, then.
I'm protected by this magical force field called glass.
I believe I made my position to your boss quite clear.
It's what keeps us so toasty and warm in here while you guys are out there freezing your...
You poured prune juice in his gas tank.
La, 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 la.
Yeah, that was good.
Classy.
Here, let me talk to him.
You in the suit. Yes, you.
Take a bath, hippie.
I am not with him.
This is serious. He's out to get your house.
Tell your boss he can have our house.
Really?
When I'm dead.
I'll take that as a maybe.
Are you all right?
Oh.